sin all of a sachan tús a chur le Cluiche Leathcheannais Craobh Shinsir Caide Kerry here gandát sin or hiig tiktarnig unchuinach an san haul gauntras gandát kilometer na or hele hagen dungamorta sa alvargi vor on strandhouses san Daingean Lee Strand Dingle cleaners agus Kerry concrete sin sul gomor leis an a barcanás turmid fiechan tapig na forn inis agus sin Scáil mór hat people farcanás an nachfuil polo génig tas nó den Daingean so bad of shoot hat dahí con chór an lína land chul mi hall flanúra Tomás Leo Sullivan Podgo con chór na logénig Tomás Sullivan brandán na céileachar vig Selina Lachul Captain na forna Darrow Sullivan ag Shortshire Durant a Lord Park Shano go moran an tógánach tas nó Selina Lachasach don Brianno con chór polo de bhain agus sé Tomás Macatíig Barrow Sullivan stig mar land sach Peter gimi de show de maler túle Shortshire Durant agus til no génig for an Annascaul agus ní léna roanerin an miachan chatte Tammy Pierce vig savade John Hoare Andrew Finn agus Dermot O'Hara Selina Lawnchool Jane Scanlon Colm Omer Hurtig Shane Foley Selina Lachul Eamon agus Jason Hickson and son Gimmert Lord Parker Finton Hurley Killian Falvey David Smith agus Nina Launtach Jack Farrell James Crean agus Carl Fortier Lem Tevan tá Farg bud tahi vahige erchlahi moransa Dermot O'Morchu with Eamon Hickson underneath that calls the mark gets on with play. It's a great ball to his brother Jason now, and this guy, he's fast, there's no doubt about it, driving forward, creating space for himself. He put one wide earlier and he's going for a goal. And what an absolutely outrageous goal there by Jason Hickson. That was very simple from Annascaul. Dingle will be disappointed with the defending there. Here we see Annascaul possession of the ball back with the goalkeeper Tommy Pierce. Tommy driving forward now and he releases Andrew Finn, but look, Pip Devan once more there, and this is a chance for Dingle. They're thinking a goal here. That's kicked from a long way out, and that's kicked in to the back of the net. And is that by Dylan Gaining? I think it might have been. So as it stands here in Porcanasig, Annascaul will have the wind advantage in the second half, but they're behind here. 1-9 for the home team Dingle, 1-2 for Annascaul. Big Tús. Tapig tastal to Annascaul so get to Darilas Scandal tossing on Godine Foden down board take Lynn Erin Lehanach YouTube if you can just Sean Noon and Holson Astral tossing kind ear vodor and Nangan Gavin O'Corona or the shaft in a grip shoot a soul lesha gloves the one and son Ervara Cruz boss for him pass live and son Gopolo Dovon Galord and Hadfek and Saga Polsa Darila Daingean the Nish Tomás Sullivan against Nish Desha Ve tot na Caide chun cínas gan éon dahaíach ar dearg bheith táma bheltan sa na í nómta me hesadta ar le an Daingean chun cín polo génig níl mór an don gaid feici ga pól pas seolta san isteach aige chudíon tonna the eile ruán mo cáraigh and that is an absolutely brilliant goal and that shows you it really does it's worth having a strong bench when you see that goal. Though you march a floor score, you get Buckley and Daingean, Hen the Shega on the Scáil, you shell of the Caide again Daingean go more warrior, son of Dulchan Keen, Tomás Macatíig, Chasu and son, go Tomás Macatíig stole him, but Shashin Chasnach again, son, I guess. He Shashin, Valtro Escan Sagas. But again, Daingean, he won't score many easier ones than that, Tomás.
No, Paul Gainey won the kick out well for Dingle and he won it fairly close into the goal, so down the Scáil backs are vulnerable and they worked it well. Look, it was a good score and Tomás was in the right place at the right time and he put it in. Good goal.
Looks like it'll be now Dingle who will qualify for this year's West Kerry final. Sin bhil sa agus deisinis bháidin sa ige Annascaul dro chiicamach tóca agus sin deantan san go alínta an san ige éidir Crean a funtí sin cadathe tá dear a réiteoir vesas hain beidir go dóg seinum go cos céimna na go mnéig raibh a réiteoir á then Dermot, I suppose you fond memories of the old Gaeltacht Dingle games like it gets the blood flowing anyway.
It does, yeah. Like I mean, even for the younger players, I remember when we were young and a lot of good young players in the Gaeltacht as well, the likes of the two Daras and those lads. Like, it was a great grounding, if when you're a young fella, that if you could survive those games, you could survive anything really, and great rivalry there and good matches and a bit of buzz around the place. I think that's what we need really at this after this tough year. We could do with something like that and hopefully we'll be able to get a few people into the matches as well.
Yeah, like Kuno Dave Mead. There listen the strength ach no sig an tam one so long gemisha the deal of kinne shoot Lorne the shaft nach na the reamer Caddy on shot before ni land out ach ni ofa og het the next stach so go park na sig no ein kam das na park na Caide Kerry here cuz so valt ach kan out besha faller le nach YouTube and so on Cluiche Leathcheannais you check into fos ken dot ach an commerce skill gemisha shoot kaiki so now no sin or kan out get kicked on all ochin and son the gown trash and fear wachen son the fall as an shervy schon doch so bhí peáid thoise bhí feachtar seo fuair an downboard agus sa dar le an go mór chun cín Caide ag sin scóráil díobh ar fad gan dó. Bhí chun na gcuí an sa chiad le a sníonidir an díomháil ar fad nó génig í go nótálacha builteach. In is gan na cúgan sé siúd agus é sin ráte gom nadóg dearnach séte an sa barcan ásigh bu an nafseach go ag an agin de buchaní Annascaul dímácha gan dá se tannaig a chraibh póisiir Chiarraí inis an duine seachtainna se chuún